Learning to drive is a major milestone for many people. But it is also a significant responsibility. As a learner driver, you are on your way to becoming a fully licensed driver. But until then, you need to be extra cautious when navigating the roads. With this in mind, we've put together 10 essential tips for staying safe as a learner driver. 1. Stay focused. It's essential to avoid any distractions while driving. And as a learner, it's crucial to concentrate on developing your driving skills. Keep your phone on silent or turn it off, avoid loud music. And avoid carrying any passengers that could potentially distract you. 2. Obey the speed limit, follow the speed limit and any road signs. This reduces the risk of having an accident, and it also prevents you from breaking the law. 3. Wear your seatbelt, always wear your seatbelt, it's the law. And it's your only protection if you're involved in an accident. 4. Practice defensive driving, anticipate the actions of other drivers. And be ready for the unexpected. Always drive defensively and be aware of what is happening around you. 5. Know your blind spots, get to know your vehicle's blind spots and adjust your mirrors accordingly. Checking your blind spots ensures that you avoid collisions and drive safely on the road. 6. Avoid driving in poor weather conditions. In poor weather conditions, such as heavy rain, thick fog or snow, it's advisable to avoid driving unless it's necessary. If you must drive, slow down and be extra cautious. 7. Always signal. Using your signals while changing lanes and turning is essential. This lets other drivers on the road know your intentions in advance. And it reduces the risk of collisions. 8. Keep a safe distance. Maintain a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. This ensures that you have enough time to react. And avoid collision, should the driver ahead of you brake or swerve. 9. Avoid distractions. It is important to avoid any distraction while driving. Don't eat food or drink while driving, don't apply makeup. And don't allow people or pets to distract you. 10. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to become a better driver is to practice. Take time regularly to practice your driving skills in different scenarios, such as varying traffic conditions and on different types of roads. In conclusion, learning to drive is an exciting time, but it can also be nerve-wracking. Following the tips mentioned above can help you stay safe on the road while you develop your driving skills. Remember, as a learner driver, you are in control of a vehicle. And with that comes responsibility. By being cautious and responsible, you'll gain the confidence and skill necessary to be a safe and responsible driver in the future.